Hello, this is T again and welcome back to our channel.
Hello everybody, nice to see you again.
Today we put together a list of 60 fruits and vegetables for you to learn. And I think these are the most commonly found and the most popular in Vietnam. Alright, so let's start with the 40 fruits.
Okay.
First, number 1, apple. Táo. Táo.
Táo. Táo.
Number 2, avocado. Bơ. Bơ.
Bơ. Bơ.
Number 3, banana. Chuối. Chuối.
Chuối. Chuối.
Number 4, cashew. Điều. Điều.
Điều. Điều.
Number 5, cherry. Sari Mỹ. Sari Mỹ.
Sorry me. Sorry me.
So it's American cherry.
Okay.
Number 6, coconut. Dừa. Dừa.
Dừa. Dừa.
That's right.
Okay.
Number 7, custard apple. Mãng cầu ta. Mãng cầu ta.
Mãng cầu ta. Mãng cầu ta.
That's right. Number 8, dragon fruit. Thanh long. Thanh long.
Thanh long. Thanh long.
You sound like you're saying lung in English, like L-U-N-G.
Okay.
L-O-N-G is lung. You gotta close your mouth at the end.
O-N-G.
Right. Thanh long.
Okay. Thanh long.
No, you didn't close your lips.
Okay.
Close your lips at the end. Thanh long.
Thanh long.
Good.
Thanh long.
That's it. So the simple act of closing your lips creates the right sound.
I hope I help you with my mistakes.
Thanh long.
Thanh long.
All right.
Thanh long.
All right. Number
Okay.
9. This is the most expensive fruit in Vietnam as far as I know.
Oh.
Durian.
Okay.
Sầu riêng. Sầu riêng.
Is this not the fruit that is prohibited in planes because it smells so bad?
Well, I would say it smells so strong. To me, it smells really delicious.
Okay.
It smells nice.
Okay.
Right, but it's got a very strong smell.
Okay.
So, sầu riêng.
Sầu riêng. Sầu riêng.
Good. Number 10, grape. Nho. Nho.
Nho. Nho.
11, guava. Ổi. Ổi.
Ổi. Ổi.
Nice.
Good.
Number 12, jackfruit. Mít. Mít.
Mít. Mít.
Noti. Mít.
Mít.
That's right.
Mít.
No final sounds.
Okay.
And number 13, June plum. This is very sour, but it's very popular.
Okay.
Yeah. So June plum, cóc. Cóc.
Cóc. Cóc.
Nice. 14, also another sour fruit, kumquat. Tắc. Tắc.
Tắc. Tắc.
This one is sweeter, langsat. Bong. 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 Bong.
Bon. Bon.
Right.
Bon. Bon.
Nice. Number 16, lemon. Chanh. Chanh.
Chanh.
Good.
Chanh.
Good.
Okay.
17, longan. Nhãn. Nhãn.
Nhãn. Nhãn.
Right. 18, lychee. Vải. Vải.
Vải. Vải.
Good. 19, mango. Xoài. Xoài.
Xoài. Xoài.
Number 20, mangosteen. Măng cụt. Măng cụt.
Okay. Măng cụt. Măng cụt.
Good. 21, orange. Cam. Cam.
Cam. Cam.
Nice. 22, papaya. Đu đủ. Đu đủ.
Đu đủ. Đu đủ.
Good. 23, passion fruit. Chanh dây. Chanh dây.
Chanh dây. Chanh dây.
Nice. 24, peach. Đào. Đào.
Đào. We don't see them so much peaches, no, in Vietnam. Or do we?
Well, I think they're seasonal.
Okay.
Yeah, đào is also a very popular female name in Vietnam.
Oh, okay.
Đào. Number 25,
Yeah.
pear.
Okay.
Lê. Lê.
Lay. Lay.
Right.
Okay.
26, persimmon. Hồng. Hồng.
Hung. Hung.
Good. It's a
Falling.
down tone, right?
Okay.
So it's a falling tone.
Okay.
Hồng.
Hung. Hung.
The tone is right, but you gotta close your lips
Okay.
every time you see ONG.
Same problem every time. Hum.
Nice.
Hum.
Nice.
Okay.
27, pineapple. Tho'm. Tho'm.
Tom. Tom.
Right. 28, plum. Mận Hà Nội. Mận Hà Nội.
Man Hanoi. Man Hanoi.
Yeah, Hanoi is the capital
yeah.
city, and so these
That's what
plums grow in Hanoi.
Okay.
Yeah, theoretically, I don't know if that's true. I think they're imported from China. Okay. Number 29, pomegranate. Low. Low.
Low. Low.
Good. Make sure the tone is falling, not rising. So low.
Low. Low.
Good. Number 30, pomelo. Bưởi. Bưởi.
Bưởi. Bưởi.
Perfect. 31, rambutan. Chôm chôm. Chôm chôm.
Chom chom. Chom chom.
Great. 32, rose apple. Mận. Mận.
Măng. Măng.
Great. 33, sapodilla. Sapoche. Sapoche.
Saboche. Saboche.
Yes. 34, soursop. Mãng cầu xiêm. Mãng cầu xiêm.
Măng cầu xiêm. Măng cầu xiêm.
Nice. 35, star apple. Vú sữa. Vú sữa.
Vú sữa. Vú sữa.
Yes. 36, star fruit. Khế. Khế.
Khế. Khế.
37, strawberry. Dâu tây. Dâu tây.
Dâu tây. Dâu tây.
Nice.
Okay.
38, tamarind. Mare. Mare.
Mare. Mare.
Perfect. 39, tangerine. Quýt. Quýt.
Wheat. Wheat.
Good, but no final T. No final T. Quýt.
Wheat. Wheat.
That's right. And finally, watermelon. Dưa hấu. Dưa hấu.
Dưa hấu. Dưa hấu.
Better and better every time.
Okay.
You see? So I correct Ralph less and less after every lesson.
I hope so. There must be some progress.
Now, let's move on to the 20 vegetables that we like to eat in Vietnam.
Oh, great.
Number 1, artichoke. Atiso. Atiso.
Atiso. Atiso.
Right. Number 2, bamboo shoot. Măng. Măng.
Măng. Măng.
Beautiful. Number 3, bean. Đậu. Đậu.
Đậu.
Yeah,
Đậu.
that's it. Number 4, bitter melon. This is extremely popular in Vietnam, even though it's very bitter. Khổ qua. Khổ qua.
Khổ qua. Khổ qua.
Number 5, broccoli is bông cải xanh. Bông cải xanh.
Bông cải xanh.
Right.
Bông cải xanh.
6, cabbage. Bắp cải. Bắp cải.
Bắp cải. Bắp cải.
Beautiful. Number 7, carrot. Cà rốt. Cà rốt.
Cà rốt. Cà rốt.
No final T, please. Cà rốt.
Cà rốt. Cà rốt.
Perfect. Number 8, cauliflower. Bông cải trắng. Bông cải trắng.
Bông cải trắng. Bông cải trắng.
Good. Number 9, corn. bắp, bắp.
Bắp, bắp.
Number 10, cucumber, dưa leo, dưa leo.
Dưa leo, dưa leo.
11, eggplant, cà tím, cà tím.
Cà tím, cà tím.
Beautiful. 12, lettuce, salad, salad.
Salad,
Perfect,
salad.
perfect.
Okay, good.
And 13, mushroom, nấm, nấm.
Nấm, nấm.
14, onion, hành tây, hành tây.
Hành tây, hành tây.
Beautiful. Number 15, paprika, ớt chuông, ớt chuông.
Ớt chuông, ớt chuông.
16,
Yes.
potato, khoai tây, khoai tây.
Khoai tây, khoai tây.
Nice. 17, pumpkin, bí đỏ, bí đỏ.
Bí đỏ, bí đỏ.
18, sweet potato, khoai lang, khoai lang.
Khoai lang, khoai lang.
19, tomato, cà chua, cà chua.
Cà chua, cà chua.
Nice. And finally, 20, water spinach, rau muống, rau muống.
Rau muống, rau muống.
Perfect.
This is a very good one. I love it.
Yeah, and it's probably the most popular vegetable in Vietnam.
We are at the end of the list, I think.
Yes,
no?
that's the end. And I think before we finish, we should learn a generic word for vegetable.
Yeah.
And it is called rau. Rau.
Rau. Rau.
That's the generic word for vegetable.
Okay.
And the generic word for fruit is dry. Dry.
Try. Try.
That's right.
If I may give a little tip at this stage, I think when I see how I try to learn Vietnamese in the beginning, I give no real importance to accent, thinking that okay, somehow people will understand me. But I think that's a deep mistake. And I think if one wants to learn Vietnamese, from the very beginning, I think it's more important to word the tones and the sound of the vowels. And then I think afterwards it's much more easy.
I agree. And after some practice today, Ralph sounds very easily understandable.
Yeah, well, let's say I still have my, in French they say bête noire, means black beast, you know, the things that are really difficult to you. And I think my main problem is the O-N-G.
Yeah.
On.
Right, and the flat tone, the no tone.
Yeah. And another thing also, a mistake we make, we Westerners, is we are used to when it is about a question, we automatically raise the tone at the end of the sentence, while you don't do this in Vietnamese.
That's right. You just go exactly by the tone for each word.
That's tricky.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, that's about it for today.
That's it for today, and I hope you liked the video. If you do, please like and subscribe.
And we would love your comments because we want to improve these lessons.
Exactly.
All the
so
time.
anything you want to learn, how we can do better to help you, please write a comment.
Yeah, sure. Then wish you a nice day. Bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.